aja di depannya mobil-mobil Amerika yang banyak kecil. Dan ini dari klub namanya Eazy Duz It. Jadi nama klubnya Eazy Duz It, Seattle Club di Seattle. Lihat nih mobilnya, ini mobil Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Engine-nya chrome abis, bisa dilihat nih. Ini sih powerful ya engine-nya ya. Ini klubnya di sini ada apa namanya, catnya Eazy Duz It. Tuh, chrome Chevrolet. Nah, bisa dilihat ini benar-benar dijaga habis kesini. Nah, terus ya di sini, ini kalau lihat dari sini peleknya emang dia sengaja kecil, dibuat kecil. Terus ini agak naik dikit karena mereka suka buat show, jadi bisa bouncing gitu, naik-naik, loncat-loncat, mantap habis. Ini sampai dalam aja di chrome nih, bagian detail banget. Terus ada paint jobnya bagus banget, hiasannya. Nah, mereka ada 6 mobil sampai belakang situ 3, 4. Kita lihat yang depan sini juga keren ya mobilnya nih. Tutup ya, tutup. Kita lihat ya, semua ini paint jobnya bagus. Lalu ada logonya itu Eazy Duz It. Lihat bawah ini tinggi banget karena pakai hydraulic mesin kaki gitu digerakin, jadi dia bisa mobilnya gini sampai jatuh. Terus di dalamnya juga interior bagus. Ini semua mobil Amerika, ini luxury sport mobilnya, luxury sport. Sama juga ban kecil dan dia pakai suspensi yang bisa dimainin. Keren habis. Oh, tuh ada lagi yang bagus tuh. Continental, ini mobil Continental, dia dong cat belakangnya keren habis. Ini catnya malah kayak Bali gitu catnya. Yang ini nih, ceweknya ini bagus ya. Ini ada piramid, ada Sphinx, Cleopatra kali. Jadi ini logo dari Continental, nama grupnya Eazy Duz It. Terus kalau dilihat bannya juga banyak kecil, mantap. Nah, ini bannya nih, caranya jadi dia emang tinggi tapi dia bisa turunin soalnya buat loncat. Oke, makasih banyak udah nonton video saya. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe yang belum subscribe. Oke, makasih juga buat Rinus yang pegang kamera. Woo! Makasih udah tuning terus di Greg CD Channel. Saya di sini bersama Edgar, salah satu ketua dari klubnya Eazy Duz It Seattle Car Club. Okay, hey Edgar, how you doing? Thank you, man.
Pretty good.
Yes. So, can you tell about the Eazy Duz It Car Club?
Eazy Duz It. We're a Seattle car club. We build lowriders.
Lowriders. Ini namanya lowriders. Yeah.
Lowriding started in Los Angeles, California, but over here we like the style, so we decided to build our own. And
yes,
we got about 24 members in our club.
24 members, yeah.
Yep. And then each car, once you meet our standard, we have standards, we have levels of how a car should be built. that you'd be able to get a plaque.
Oh, I see. So that's the plaque. Yes, yes.
So when you become a plaque member, that means
Like
you're
a pledge.
yeah, like
So,
a bike member.
yeah.
So that means you're at the top of the list.
Right. Yeah, right. Yeah.
It's just a little work. Everything's done in-house, which means
okay.
Which means we do all our own work. We don't send nothing out.
Right.
Paint,
wow.
welding, everything's done by each member.
Each member. Oh, okay. And then so the lowrider, and then so when you do the show, so you do the bounce, right?
Yeah, it's called hydraulics. So
hydraulics,
these cylinders right here.
Oh, cylinder here.
Yeah, but hardline, which pushes oil, hydraulic fluid through to the cylinder, extends, it makes it go up.
Oh, it makes it go up.
So through a switch, you hit a switch, it'll go through a dump.
Right.
And then we'll just push the fluid all the way up and so go up and down.
Okay. Your car is really nice, man. A lot of chromes and beautiful, and then a lot of detail. The paint job, it's beautiful.
This car is what's called a frame off, where we took the body of the frame off.
Oh,
everything's done. You can see right here. Everything's touched up to the frame.
Everything, up to the frame.
You can see the frame right here is painted, welded.
The frame, welded. So when the car is bouncing, how about the wheels? Is that can make a damage?
It could damage. It depends. You need to have air.
Air here.
First, to have a good amount of air. But sometimes they'll get damaged, sometimes not. It just happens. But it's part of the style of lowriding. You roll with 13s.
Right.
A small tire.
Yeah. When you do the bouncing, how high?
It depends on your system. You could go from a couple inches to, there's cars that go all the way back.
All the way back?
Vertical.
Or like this, vertical, 90 degrees? Or...
Yeah, there's cars that would do that. So it just depends what you want to do. This is like a show quality, so it'll go up and down, but not too much. But there's some cars that, like the blue one back there, that car will hit back bumper.
Go up, right? Yeah.
Well, we call it back bumper. Hitting back bumper is
big bumper. Right.
Power.
Power, yeah. So in here today, the Wekfest Seattle, how many members are here?
We got about 10 members here.
10 members here, okay.
We got 7
So
cars,
much money has gone into the
black.
Oh, okay. Yeah, cool. Wow, yeah, I hope that I can see sometimes,
maybe.
the show.
Hopefully we'll see when we get out the door.
Oh, we have to go to the door. All right, right. So you mentioned, so you will go to Las Vegas for
we're
the show?
Lowrider magazine has a super show every year, and it's the biggest show in the United States for lowriding. We go down there to show out. Okay. Represent for Washington.
Represent, awesome. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Okay. Hey, thanks a lot.
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
No problem.
So good luck for your club, and then all the best. Alright, thank you. Makasih banyak. Tadi udah ngobrol sama Edgar, salah satu ketua klub ini, Eazy Duz It Club. Mantap banget ya. Udah, sekian dulu. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe channel saya, Greg di channel. Thank you so much. Peace.